Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check Facebook page violations. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Facebook app. Now once you're inside here, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and now here be sure to be changed or switched to your Facebook page. Now once you tap on it, here you can see I'm switched to my Facebook page. Now once you're inside your Facebook page, tap on the profile icon once again and then scroll down, and here tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings, and once you're inside settings, here what you need to do is scroll down under audience and visibility. You'll be seeing an option that says page setup. Simply tap on that. And now here on the page setup, you'll be seeing an option that says page status. Simply tap on that or tap on view. Here you can check your Facebook page violations and any other violations that or if your page has been addressed to. So that's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.